Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good evening to my supervisor Dr. Amir and beloved assessors Prof. Zuriati and Madam Raja. My name is Muhammad Faris Ikhwan bin Badarullah. My matric number is 200538 and I'm student under supervisor Dr. Amir. I am delighted to stand before you today to present my final year project. Title is QR code based sign attendance system for university student. We go through introduction first. So my app is e-attendant, or we can call as Putratik. Is a mobile application for attendance system in university. So you can see here, this is my logo apps, Putratik. Attendance management will be more accuracy and efficiency. Utilize a digital version to replace the conventional paper-based attendance. Next is problem statement. So we have three problem statement here that I state in this slide. So first of all is we can reduce using paper-based attendance. Second is information exploitation at risk. Third is lack of human error and accessible platform. So next we go to objective, and I will explain about problem statement and objective together. So the first objective to develop a user-friendly mobile application for attendance tracking in university. Second is to implement an efficient and secure information safekeeping of the attendance record. The third is to encourage eco-friendly practices in universities. So modern way is better than traditional way by using paper sheet for taking attendance in the class. This way or this method will be more efficient and more privacy. Because using Putratik, data attendance automatically will save into database and secure safely, and the data never missing after this. And sometimes some student also do not want their information leak, like matric number and their attendance record known by other student. So this application will help student privacy. So this app Putratik also will can attract student to come to the class, because we all know student now well exposed to this QR technology, and they will like, because they no need to wait for their turn to sign their attendance in the class, because in one class we have, sometimes in class we have 50 students, 100 students, and it will waste our time, waste student time. So next is project scope. Develop mobile application to allow student apply to tracking attendance system. Stores information, manage e-attendance information of users and admin, and QR code. So this is my literature review. First, I see student present system, library management system, location where event attender system, and GSC Maybank Masejahtera also use QR technology for their app. So next is methodology. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps in agile development. So first is requirement, design, development, testing, deployment, and review. So this is my Gantt chart, this my plan during semester 2 and and this semester 1. So next is system design. In user functional requirement, we have login, personal information, and class. And last, scan QR code. Next is admin functional requirement, lecturer. So access user detail like student information and generate QR code. Also in admin functional requirement. So next is I would like to explain a little bit about non-functional requirement, usability, compatibility, security, and availability. So usability is the interface of the application must be easy to use and user-friendly. Compatibility, the application will be on Android platform to operate. Security, the application obliges the users to set their password complex, include use of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbol. And the last one is availability is about admin had the authority to access the information of attending student. So we go to the next slide. This is my use case diagram. So you can log in, view info, scan QR, view attendance percentage, display QR. And lecturer can view user, attendance record, and log out. So user flowchart when users log in, and after login, if student cannot log in, he will automatically report to administrator and go back to login page. If they can access to their account in this Putrati application, they will go to main page and they will can see their profile, QR code scanner, feedback, and class list. So the main functional in this app is QR code scanner. If student successfully scan QR code that given by admin or lecturer in the class, successful, it will go to main page. And if not successful, he will go to logout. We go to logout and to main page. So next is admin. So lecturer will log in and go to the main page, and lecturer will see class list page. And in class list page, there will be QR code generator, and lecturer can display the QR code to student, and they can log out the apps. So this is my entity relationship diagram, or ERD. We have lecturer info, student info, and subject info in our database. So now I want to show you guys my app interface. So this first slide is main page of this app Putrati. And we have student here and lecturer, and if we student, we tap on the left. If lecturer, we tap on the right, and automatically it will go to sign in page. So sign in page, the all database we I assume we connect with SMP in UPM database. So all email, all student UPM email can be accessed in this app. So just sign in and we can see my main page, have view profile, profile picture, name, about button, feedback button, class list, scan QR button function, class schedule. So after there are 3 pages here: student profile, class schedule, and attendance percentage each class. Uh, this figure, there are two important page. So first is after we click on QR scanner, so it will show is uh, if student success to scan QR code, it will be show us thank you for attending the class, and percentage in this will be increased. If not successful, will be shown not successful here. Okay, so we go next to admin interface. The sign in page for lecturer. This main menu for lecturer and class list. So QR code generator for generate QR code each class, every class. So we will go to app demonstration. Sign in page for student. And we can see here main page for student, for user, for student is class attendance, and Putrati is function well, alhamdulillah. So this lecturer page for admin. Is my logo Putrati. Okay, that's all for app demonstration. So go to UAT or user acceptance test. Before that, I want to to notice you something that this QR code will automatically invalid after 5 minutes show at public, and if new student come late into the class, student need ask lecturer for refreshing the QR code in this app to get the valid attendance QR. So this I call as timestamp that I use in I set in Flutter and database. So there will be no cheater among student. They send the picture QR code to student did not come to the class, and yeah, we can prevent that. So we go to user acceptance test, user interface, performance, functionality, security, and feedback. We have 5 here. This data has recorded by me that our respondent among student and lecturer. First of all, we see user interface. We can see here respondent rate for overall visual design 4.5 over 5. Easy to navigate. Respondent rate 4.2 over 5, able to complete the task 4.3 over 5, icons and button clearly labeled 4.5 over 5, and we look here is moderate rating from respondent. So we go to performance. Performance refers to the evaluation of how well the system or application meets its performance requirement and expectation. Most of them like the performance of this patriotic application mobile app. As you can see, they rate overall performance 4.7 over 5, response time 4.6 over 5, stability they give 5 over 5. So we go next to functionality. As we can see here, meet user requirement, respondent give 4.6 over 5, successfully completing the task 5 over 5, but free 4 over 4. We look here security. As you can see, the respondent not satisfied with the confidency towards data security. Therefore, Putrati mobile application need the improvement for this aspect. However, able to create a secure login or password is 5 over 5. Other feedback, no email verification, encryption, password. Next is user feedback. User feedback, overall experience is very good, 5 over 5 I get from the respondent for this app. Other feedback, user and admin in one application need double confirmation to log out. QR code is convenient. So other feedback, I will take it as pengajaran untuk tambah baik application ini. So conclusion, UAT result 4.8 overall rating. No issue with the main function, it function well. For deployment, utilizing QR code, user admin in one application, successfully develop and deploy. So limitation, only one QR code for one subject, only available on Android platform. third is admin cannot change users information. So in future work, actually I have many more want to add more function in this Putrati app, but I don't have more time to do that. So yeah, the idea I have in future work is first chat session and daily schedule feature. Chat session is like student can chat with lecturer without using WhatsApp or another social media, just using Putrati app as a medium. So daily schedule is like, yeah, like normal. And second is I want this application support iOS platform because I see most of student in university using iPhone or iPad more than Android, I see. So the last one is dynamic QR code is uh, develop dynamic QR code that can be updated in real time for increasing security from cheater. So support iOS platform, I said just now, we can make this application cross-platform compatibility. Yeah, I think that's all from me. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our esteemed assessors, and thank you to my supervisor also, Dr. Amir, because guide me until today, and thank you so much. Assalamualaikum.